Hi, welcome to my another tutorial. Today I want to share how you will get a trendy idea for making a unique video for your brand new YouTube channel. You should bear in mind that if you want to increase your YouTube channel, you have to upload a unique video for your subscriber or viewer. So you have to follow this step. Now I want to share how you will get an idea to create a new video for your YouTube channel step by step. In this total video, I want to share 5 steps to get awesome and pretty cool idea for your YouTube channel. So let's get started. Alright, this is my Make Money Online, and if you are a newbie on my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, share more and more with your friends. So let's get started. So idea number 1, YouTube is the best video streaming website nowadays. You can lots of videos on different types of topics or categories, whatever you like. Or as you can see here, if you want to gather knowledge or other purposes, you will be able to know more and more information from YouTube channel. So if you come to this search bar over here and just search about Make Money Online 2020, you will get lots of videos about this. After watching that videos, you will get lots of unique ideas from here and go ahead to make a trendy video for your YouTube channel. This is number 1 method. I think you can use YouTube platform to get an unique idea for your brand new YouTube channel. YouTube is called the number 1, and second one I would like to share, this is called Google. If you search about Make Money Online 2020, and you will get amazing ideas on different types of topics and categories, as you can see here. And if I search about Make Money Online, this one is 26 realistic ways to make money online in 2020, and this one 21, this one 17 ways you can make money online right now, and this one is 9 proven ways to make real money online in 2020, and 35 plus 70 ways, the ultimate guide to make money online in 2020, how to make money online in Bangladesh in 2020, 5 ways to make money online in 2022. Lots of ideas you can get from Google platform. I think so. If you are a newbie or beginner, if you are searching a unique idea for your brand new YouTube channel, I cordially request to use this Google platform for making a video for your YouTube idea. So number 3 I wanna share, this is called wikihow.com. wikihow.com is totally free website, and if you search about different types of topics over here, and there are lots of ideas you can get from here. This one is how to make money online category, making money online, how to make money online without a website, how to make quick money online, how to make money online as an executive recruiter. And this one are amazing and pretty cool free ideas to make a new video for your YouTube ideas. If I open this one, how to make money on writing online, you can read this article and you can get idea from here for making a video for your YouTube channel. So if you want to know more and more, I cordially request to search on this wikihow.com as a newbie or a beginner, or on the other hand, or a new YouTuber. So now I would like to share another one. This is called Forbes.com. Forbes.com, there are lots of trendy ideas you will get from here. So if you search about Make Money Online 17 ways you can make money online right now, and you will get lots of articles or things from here. And after reading this one, I strongly believe that you will get an amazing or pretty cool ideas from here. That's boom, this is the best and easiest way. I mean, this is free way to get an idea for making a brand new for making a video for your brand new YouTube channel. There are lots of ideas I think here. And finally, I cordially request to come to any types of niche related or category related blog site. So if I come to this Google and I have searched about the trendy blog site, I mean this one is adamemfroy.com, how to make money blogging in 2020 and $203,000 in year 1. So after coming here, you will get an amazing ideas for YouTube videos from here. First of all, you have to determine that you want to increase your YouTube channel by hook or by crook. So after searching on different types of categories or niches, I will recommend this one, different types of blogging over here. So this is the best and easiest way to search different types of trendy ideas from 5 platforms. Number 1, I would like to share at a glance. Number 1 is called youtube.com, and number 2 is google.com, and number 3 is wikihow.com, and another one is wikihow, this number 1 and 3, and another one is forbes.com, and that's the final platform, different types of blogging website you can use for getting amazing idea for making a unique video for your brand new YouTube channel. If you follow this method step by step, I strongly believe that you will be able to increase your YouTube channel day by day or rapidly with a period of time or within a short period of time. So thanks for watching this video till now. I cordially request to watch my previous videos from my YouTube channel, and if you click on my playlist, you will get lots of amazing videos on how to make money online and also YouTube channel tips and tricks from here. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications. And if you appreciate my videos, please like, share more and more with your friends. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.